Hi guys, so today I visited up Pacific Nurseries in I think it's close to Birmingham in the United Kingdom. I just to have a look at some of the plants that they have in winter, because this is an indication of what plants are going to survive in winter. So guys, just enjoy. There is a wide selection of winter hardy plants that they have. So guys, personally, I don't like the sight of empty borders in winter. So I've really tried in my garden to plant up some evergreen plants, because I just don't like dead and empty borders in winter. I want something to cheer me up. So all these plants are going to be evergreen for you in your garden if you choose them. So maybe I have to name some of the plants so you guys can check them out if you want. So in that frame there, we've got skimia in the front, and I think we've got some eunormus at the back with green and white, and then at the back we've got some boxes bowls. So all these plants are going to stay evergreen for you. Yeah, I think I want an evergreen border now. Hmm? I love this garden center, woman. Hmm? I think most of these are some varieties of some dwarf conifers, guys. I'm not sure of the exact names of these, but as you can see, they're so beautiful. Look at the colors and the texture. It's amazing. Anonzima euphorbia. Honestly, very nice. Oh, how nice is that? Ooh, beautiful. Rhododendron irindarifari this one, this one. Rine yellow ne green.
That's gold. Something.
Eh. Ari gai garden center yawo